Today I will show you how to add the anchored volume weighted average price to your TrendSpider chart. If you are not a TrendSpider user yet, you can use my affiliate link in the description to get a discount on your TrendSpider subscription. Adding anchored indicators on TrendSpider is very easy compared to other platforms. Simply open a chart and right-click where you want your anchor point to be. The daily time frame is the most commonly used, but you can set as many as you want on any time frame. This is the daily chart of SPY I have open, and you normally want to set the anchor point at a significant high or low point. On this chart, I will set the anchor point at this low SPY made in October of 2023. So I will right-click the exact candle that made the low, and then hover over Create an Anchored Indicator. Next, click Alpha Trends Anchored VWAP, and the IT will appear on your chart. You can add as many of these to the chart as you wish. For example, I can also go to the 2022 low and add another one for more context by using the same steps. Just right-click the exact candle of the low and add another anchored VWAP. If you want to remove one of them from the chart, simply right-click on it and click Remove. There is also the option to remove all of them at once. And that will wrap it up for this video. I hope it was useful. Remember, you can use my affiliate link in the description to get a discount on TrendSpider, so be sure to try it out today.